I bet you didn't know that you can make a lot of money from selling digital products without having to create your own digital product. Now, when people hear digital products, what comes to their mind is the amount of time and energy they will put into creating the digital product. And then again, the money they're going to spend creating the platform they are going to be selling the digital product on. But what if I told you that you don't have to spend any money and you don't have to waste your time or spend time creating your own digital product? It's something that you can set up under 1 hour without having your own digital product, where you're going to be making an insane amount of money from the comfort of your home while you are asleep. You're going to be making this passive income. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let me show you how easy this thing is. Now, to get started, the first thing you need to understand that there's a lot of products out there that you can use as your digital product and make a lot of money from them without having to create your own digital product. And the next thing you're going to do is to find those products and then sell it to the people that need them and make money off of it. So we're going to be doing that right now. So what you need to do is to come over to your browser and visit wplocker.com. Now, this platform is where you can get anything related to web designing, plugins and themes especially. So here you can see themes archive and plugins archive. So any type of plugin that you're looking for or any type of themes that you're looking for, you're going to find them here. Don't worry, you don't have to learn anything. You don't have to know how to design a website to be able to run this business. I'm going to show you how you can put it all together. Now, all you have to do is to come over to Themes Archive and then you come over to Theme Forest, or you can choose anyone that best suits you. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and choose Theme Forest. So once it opens, you're going to see a lot of themes here, and all you have to do is just take a little bit of minutes to scan through them and see which one looks good. Now, this one looks good, and the next thing I'm going to do is to just right click and click on open link in a new tab, and I'm going to do the same for this one, and you're going to just keep doing this and select as many themes as possible. You can do 50, you can do 100. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you exactly what you're going to do with this. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to come over to the theme that you have opened. We have opened this alongside this and many more that you would open, so you can open it in batches. Now that I've opened this, the next thing you're going to do is to download the theme. Okay, you can decide to preview the theme, but from what I'm seeing here is amazing and it's something that people would love to have. So what I'm going to do is to just click on any of this link to download it to my device. Now, what you want to do is that you want to download as many themes as possible, because that is what you're going to be using for your business. I'm going to show you how you're going to arrange it. But again, what you can do is you can have it in sessions. Now, what I mean by that is that you can come over to this WP Locker and come over to the search session, and you're going to search for something like e-commerce. So now that it has opened, all you have to do is to download these themes. As you can see, there is 160 themes here. So you just take your time and download them one after the other. So after downloading the e-commerce themes, all you have to do is to put them in one folder, and then you come back here again and search for another niche. It could be personal branding, that is portfolio website. So you're going to see portfolio themes here. So or anything that is related to personal branding, personal website, private website, individual website, and all of that is what you're going to find under the portfolio archive. And you can just go ahead and download as many as possible. And if you look at the responses here, you have over 160. So go ahead and download as many as you can, but I will suggest that you download nothing less than 50 so that you can have more than enough to offer. Then you can also come up with another niche, maybe copywriting or digital marketing or medicals or cryptocurrency or any of these niches. You just go ahead and search for it just the same way that we did for this ones, and then download all of them, all the themes, and then put them in their respective folders. And then the next thing you're going to do is to come over to the plugin archive, click on it so that it opens up the archive for plugins. So here you have all the plugins that anybody can ever need for web development. So all you need to do is to just scroll down and download as many as possible. Make sure you download whatever plugins that you see on this trending plugins, because they are the most wanted, most required, most downloaded, most bought plugins. So if you have these plugins to offer, especially when you're marketing your product and people know that you have these plugins, they're going to want to buy from you instantly. So all you have to do is to get all these plugins, download all these plugins, and make sure as you're downloading the plugins, you're going to be writing their name in a sheet. So any plugins or themes that you want to download, all you have to do first is to copy the name of the plugin so that you can have a list of the plugin and theme. So to do that, all you have to do first is to open your document, and then you're going to note down what you're downloading. Let's say you want to download plugins, and you're going to write plugins here. So here you're going to just come down and click on your numbered list, and you have your number 1, and then you go back to WP Locker, and you're going to see this. All you have to do is to copy the name of the plugin you want to download and come over here and paste it without formatting, and you have this right here. And then you come back again and copy this. Number 2, this is the second one that you want to download. So you click on copy, and then you come over here and paste it again. So this way you will have a list of the plugins and themes that you're downloading, so that when you're marketing it, people will know what they are buying. And also, if someone asks you, oh, do you have this plugin, or is this plugin and this plugin or this theme included in the themes or the plugins that you're selling, you can be able to tell them, oh yes, I have them. You know, you don't have to start scanning through all your themes to know if whatever they requested is available. All you have to do is to just check your list, and then you can find out, okay, this one is available. Then that is your selling point. Okay, so here is SaaS Mantra. Once you come over to SaaS Mantra, the next thing you're going to do is click on deals. So here you're going to see a lot of softwares for sale, and all you need to do is to just buy them and resell them. And then again, this other platform, AppSumo, is also an amazing platform where you can get amazing softwares and apps for cheap. And you can see all of them here is lifetime. This one is lifetime, so you can just buy them and resell them to your clients and make a lot of money from it. I'm going to be showing you how you can resell this, the platform that you're going to use, and all of that, so stick with me. And then the next one that I have is codecanyon.net. They have softwares, they have mobile apps, they have anything that you can ever think of that is related to tech, and you can find all of that here. So let's go to delivery app. Okay, here is delivery app. You can see a lot of options here. So this is amazing. Delivery app for just $59. Now, a lot of people are going to be looking for this, and all you have to do is to just know the price of this, and then you can advertise on social media that you have a delivery app for sale. And also you can create a seller account on Fiverr that you can program apps for people, and then you're going to charge as much as you want. And then once someone places an order on Fiverr, you just come over to Code Canyon, buy the app, and send it to the person, and then you get paid. Now, how cool is this? This is so amazing. Easiest way to make money without having to spend any money, and this can make you money while you are asleep. Now, how cool is this? Now, to sell all of these things, to sell your digital products, you need a platform where you're going to be selling the digital product. Now, for some, you can design your own website. If you have the budget to design your own website, is the best thing that can happen to you is having your own website. So that way you have control over your finances, you have control over your clients and all of that. But if you don't have that budget, all you have to do is to use platforms that are already set up and optimized for digital products. And the one I currently use is seller.co. I don't know if it's available in all parts of the world, but I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so that you can just sign up if it's available in your country. But if it's not available in your country, then the one that is available worldwide is gumroad.com. So you can sell anything. As you can see, you can start selling on Gumroad, and all you have to do is to just click on start selling, and then you sign up and start selling on Gumroad. And the same thing is applied to seller.co. And one of the reasons why I love Seller is that the fact that it works in my country, and I can sell to anybody from any part of the world, and they pay me in dollars or whatever currency they use in their country. Now, how cool is this? So let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a tutorial on how to create an account on Seller and how to create an account on Gumroad, just in case you'll be using any of them. But it's very easy to do, and it's something that you can do. It's quite easy. Just set up and then use your design, go over to Canva and do your design, and you're good to go. And that way you start making money while you are asleep selling your digital products, because now you have the digital products. And then if you have a little budget and you want to get lots of customers, all you have to do is to run an ad on Facebook and Instagram. And I've done a tutorial on how to do all of this, and all you have to do is to just click here to watch the tutorial and learn everything that you need to know to execute this business properly. So go ahead and watch it, and then thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.